Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. GQview package is not available on Ubuntu-based repositories, so you can install it directly by running the following command. Also, you can install it via flatpak. First of all, install the flatpak manager running the next command. Enable flatpak using the following command. Install GQview using the following flatpak command. After this, go into your desktop. There you will see the two icons of this app. You can launch it and you will see the next. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.